Welcome everyone back to another All Sparks review right here on YouTube. My name is Will and we're going to be looking at Skywarp from Combiner Wars. I managed to pick him up a little while ago, and with all the other studio series that were coming out at the time, I decided to go with them and keep him for a rainy day, and it is that rainy day. So let's get him unboxed, see what he's like. I actually have a very good comparison to use, and we'll see what he's completely transformed. He looks like a really good character to have, and if you're in Britain, you could probably get him as cheap as what I got him for, which was $9.99 in B&M stores. There's a ton of them back in, it was about a month ago, so I managed to get my hands on one, so we'll get them opened. As always, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you for all the new subscribers as well. Thank you for all the amazing comments. Guys, you're making this channel grow faster and faster. We're there one day at the 100 subs, then I'll do another special presentation, another G1 I think I'll do. Any comments in the bottom of the video is always amazing. And also, if you want to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, even follow me on Twitch, check the description box below, and also at the end of the video with the massive shout out to the Cybertronic Spree. But let's get Skywarp opened. Let's see what he's like. And this is him transformed into Raptor, F-22, whatever jet he wants to be. It is really good. Of course, he is a repaint of the Starscream mold, that leader class. When they first brought out Skywarp, he was just like an add-on you could put on for the Combiner's Starscream, or I think it could have been Galvatronus. I'm not too sure. I don't have that many Skywarp. I wanted this one, and like I said, when I managed to get him for the price I did, I was over the moon. The comparison I've got is going to be a good one anyhow. So, traditional Skywarp colours, they nailed it. That purple Hasbro done is fantastic. You can open the cockpit, if I can do it with my nails. You can't open it. See if I can do it. Come on, cockpit. There we go. And it's got good detail inside. Underneath is basically a transformation. You can bring out little wheel as well, and it can stand. He has got a projectile weapon, which I didn't put on, and I'd done the same with the other one. I just gave it to another character, which I didn't think the guns were good enough. So I could probably put that on another character, because I like my seekers the way they're meant to be. Transformation for Skywarp, it's easy. It is actually a very simple transformer. It's mostly this front section that comes with the problems. First things first, get the tails down. Flip them over and remove all the guns. 6 in total, and it just makes everything easier. That one doesn't want to come loose. Push that one on a bit too hard. Okay, there we go. That's that loose. Come back over. Come to the tails and just flip that up like so. Okay. Come back here and gently push that up. And there's a reason I'm saying gently, because this is on the slightest of hinge how everything moves back forward. And you'll see why. And you want to slowly take this part. You see everything starting to move. And just let it go past the legs. It is on the thinnest of hinges. I'm going to lift that camera up a fraction so you can see it. So that's the hinge it's on. It's very thin. Bring everything back round here. Twist the legs in. They're on a double joint, as always. come to the top part. Just bring those arms out. Push that up, turn his head round. Just line his legs up first to click into his waist. Arms stretch out because you're going to connect them there into the side. See these slots there and there. And there is Skywarp nearly transformed. We just have the feet as always. Bring them out. Yep, everything's looking good. I'm going to move that camera up because he has a good height. And there you go, there is Skywarp. And he looks really good. Like I said, same Starscream mould, but there's nothing you can really complain about as long as he looks as good with the paint as he does. Weapons, let's put them back on. They just clip on easily, and you'll see where they easily go. The leg ones are pretty normal. Now, they ones are supposed to be on his arm, but I like them up here. I like these ones up here, and the reason being is I like, again, keeping tradition, having the big blasters at the side. And there you go. Skywarp. He looks fantastic. Very good addition at the Combiner Wars side. Let you see the back of him. Just everything's so neat and tidy. A very flush figure. Comparison. I'm going to bring in Blitzwing. Oops. Sorry, I mean Starscream. And and before anybody asks in the comments, no, I will not be doing a video on the Bumblebee movie with this Starscream being Blitzwing. I don't believe Travis Knight. I think it was just to wind up us G1 fans, and I hope it is a wind up. I'm not doing a I'm not doing a video. So, but there's a comparison. I don't have Thundercracker. That is when I want to get to complete the trilogy of these guys. Have all my sequels. Starscream comes with the crown, but the crown can fit on Skywarp, and it's just the exact same mould. It's just painted. Very good addition to have the seekers. So, Skywarp, it's your turn to protect Starscream or Blitzwing, whatever he wants to be called today, and it's into the collection you go. As always, guys, thank you. I hope you really enjoyed the video. As always, like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, AllSparks Reviews, and now you can follow AllSparks Reviews on Twitter at AllSparkYT. And of course, you can follow myself on Twitch at OptimusWalbert85. Just type that in the search engine at the top. Also, a massive thank you once again to Cybertronic Spree for their amazing track, Cybertronic Warrior. I really do hope you guys check them out and give them much support and much love. One of the most fantastic bands I've ever heard and do amazing covers. So please check them out right here on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook. And as always, guys, till all one.